Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations. Coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we put our projects into hashtag Set Nor Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. This week's theme is spring, and next week's theme will be Use a Doily. I'm starting out today with spring, and this die came from Lady Creep. Thank you so much. And this is from the Greenwood, and so I chose to use that sentiment as well as Joy. And I'm also using this die here that goes along with it, and I just shortened it a little bit. And this is what I'm going to be using from Gemini by Crafter's Companion, and it's this little set, and I used several pieces out of there. This Impression Obsession die, which is a little tag made by Anna White, and then that's that die I was talking about right here. And then I'm also using this embossing folder, which is Leaf Tumble by Simon Stamp. And here goes this adorable little card. I thought it turned out so cute. I love that leaf embossing folder back there. It added the perfect touch. There goes the spring. I cut it out with mirror cardstock. And then this right here I had made up a few years ago, and I'm finally getting around to using it. I don't remember where the bird came from, so yeah, I don't have that. But what I did was I cut the tag twice. Well, I cut the whole tag in blue, and then I just cut part of the bottom so it can appear as grass down there. Added some little gems on there, and then there goes that Joy that I was talking about. And there goes the inside of the card, and that's about it. So make sure you enter into our collab, which is hosted by the ladies, and I'll have the links down below, as well as Jillian Norwood's. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.